How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King. I'm getting a lot of people on Twitter or X wanting me to do a video on ALLR. I will say I did play this last time and I was very excited and pumped about it on how big it ran because I played this with the Discord team right down in this area here when it was consolidating and it had a very low K and all that. And I was like, oh, this is looking really nice. As you can see, right in here it had like a 2k 2.16k, so I was like, okay, this is looking nice. And then it just randomly just pumped massive on this candle here. We knew we had to hit the EMA 20, and as you can see, there's quite some time distance from 311 to 502, so it was looking very good for that touch. And then after that touch happened, it reset all the exponential moving averages. And you guys don't know, you're probably a little confused. This is the band strategy. I use exponential moving averages. I use the average true range. Bottom band is green because it's a buy zone. Upper band is red for a sell zone. And then I use the KDJ down here. So I didn't have no FOMO touching this when I seen a big move up at $3 and then it comes shooting back down to $1, 90 cents, 80 cents, 70 cents, 60, and just kept going down and down. And I'll show you guys why I don't really have FOMO to play this is because of the system I'm showing you. A lot of people are saying it could have a buyout. I think, there's a lot of things that could happen. This is getting to the extreme point, right? I mean, look at this. If you look at, look at this, this chart is just beaten down. Everything is, yes, you have your spikes, but it's just a matter of like trying to get those precise entries so you get those spikes at the right time. Because this thing can really get going, and it's just been a really crazy one on someone, right? It had a 1 for 20 reverse split way back in April 9th, and right now we're sitting at 45 cents. Here's what I like to show you guys, because everything is speculative with this stock. Buyout, and all this stuff. A lot of it is speculative, but let's just look at what the system's telling me. One, we hit the EMA 10 here. That is more of a longer term target that gets hit, and we have not hit it ever since. A lot of the times, if you hit your EMA 5, you'll get a first rejection. 9 times out of the 10. If you hit an EMA 10, you'll get your first rejection. 9 times out of 10. A lot of times it hits the EMA 10, and then it tries to get over it and hit the EMA 20. The EMA 20 is priced at 64 cents. It has some room up from 45 cents, and that's quite a feat. Can it go way above it? Absolutely. We saw this candle. Look at this. Look how much above we went from the EMA 20 and even almost hit the upper band here. That would be massive gains. But the problem is a lot of people double dipped their toes and got into this play, and it kept going down and down. So you never want to do that. We want to always play the system. That way you not lure into getting back in when just the thing goes away. I hate to say, like, when people are like, well, this thing was at $4 and now it's at 43 cents. It's now a buy, right? We want to look at what's happening, right? We're obviously, everyone can see this. We have lower lows happening, and it's very easy to see. And right here is our next floor. So will we hold this floor? We don't know, and that could change in a heartbeat, right? Anything can happen. But yeah, within hindsight, anybody can show this. But what I am going to try to do is predict the future for you here. Right now, we are away from the EMA 5. And this is why I say we really got to be very careful on this, guys. Right now, it has decent volume. That is very nice. We have 2 million volume. It's not one of those low volume stocks. And the reason why I say that is because we can very easily hit these EMA 10s and 20s quite easy when it's more of a higher volume stock. So right here, we hit the EMA 10. Everyone should have been out of the position when you played it down at this low because we knew it had to hit the EMA 10. Look at the time distance. The last time we hit the EMA 10 was this big candle, and that was at 5:02. So that was May 2nd, and then we hit the EMA 10 back in May 31st. Anything that don't hit the EMA 10 in 1 month is extremely long. And so that's what happened. We hit it, algos did it, and they're like, okay, time for the new bag holders, right? And it comes back down. What we're going to see is an EMA 20, I believe, in 2 weeks time frame. We're going to hit that because that would be considered very long. 2 to 3 weeks it will hit this. But like I said, if you're going to take entries, always take it below the EMA 5 because it doesn't make sense to hit take an entry on a downtrending stock that hits the EMA5, and we know it's going to reject. You know, a lot of the times it rejects. The more times it hits this, then it'll get to the EMA10. So as you can see, rejection, back up, rejection, back up, rejection, back up, and we're right here. Are we going to hit the EMA5? Absolutely, and then back down again. So sure, you can get some decent money if you want to do that. You know, 43 cents to 48. That's not bad. So yeah, do keep that in mind. And then obviously properly accumulate. I would just keep selling this on the EMA5, and I would give this 2 weeks time frame for till we start hitting the EMA20, because that's really the juice in this trade is. When I'm looking at this, it's not really something you want to aim for the EMA10. There's really not much juice in that. Your juice big play is going to be when this hits the EMA20 and goes way above it, like in this dark area. So yeah, there's a lot of speculation going on. No one can really say what's going to happen. I'm just going to look at the chart and say, you know, the pros and cons. The pros is we haven't hit the EMA20 in over a month. We're at like a month and like 2 weeks. So last time was May 2nd. It's 6/14. So yeah, we're going to hit it in probably 2 weeks, in my honest opinion. The next thing to look at is the KDJ. We're at a 13K. So, kind of big. You know, as you can see, it's not the greatest. You know, I would wait for a little lower, probably near the 10 region. But yeah, I could definitely see this having a pump at this value range here. This is extremely undervalued, so I would definitely keep this on watch. It has nice, decent volume. As you can see, people are interested in this stock. There's a lot of interest in it because we had this massive move up and now it's back down. And these are the undervalued plays that I look for. Obviously, we can't use the lower band. It's going to take a long time to accumulate. As you can see, that last pump really made it, you know, very hard to use the lower band. But I'm going to use the time distance strategy on the EMA20 for this type of play. Hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. I am going to keep this on watch. If it keeps going down, well, I'll take a look at this some more. But I'm going to probably wait for this in another week and see. Obviously, if we're below the EMA5 some more, EMA10, and I could probably take a nice little scalp or a nice 10 to 50% profit range in here. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, it's one of the most easiest things and best strategies in my honest opinion. If you want to join, just click the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you do that, I'll take you to this free chat landing page. Read how to subscribe, avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. And then the easiest way to look into my educations and to subscribe and be a part of a low-cost network of family is to hit the server shop here. As you can see, it's only $6 a month to be a swing trader, or if you want all my services, it's $12 a month, and you get day trading and swing trading. I love day trading the most. The reason why is because swing trading can take time. Sometimes you gotta wait a week or two until the play plays out, you know, and that just happens. That's part of swing trading. Day trading, you're in and out, and you're never holding over a day. We're looking for day trading. I short a lot of the stocks that do these kind of movements. They had these big moves up, and we'd be looking to short these stocks. And I use the same strategy, and we look to get precise entries. So it's just more of what you're interested in. We have swing trading or day trading, all at a very low cost, $12 if you just want all of the services. And I think you're going to love it. This is my analysis on ALLR. I'm more definitely bullish than bearish. I will tell you guys that. I'm just saying how to get precise entries and to avoid this EMA5 nasty trend line here, right? You just don't buy on the EMA5. Buy, you know, usually at the lows of the day. So if I was looking on this on Monday, I would look at this 43.80 cent region for support. I'll get near that and then make sure I have plenty of room to the EMA5 if I had to keep resetting my average and this thing just won't go up, right? So hope if you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it. I read all your comments, and giving a like does help the YouTube channel spread the word. This is looking bullish in the near 2 weeks time frame, so I would definitely keep this on. And thanks for mentioning this ticker to me. I played it before and made the team over 100% because this thing went up pre-market. It was a beautiful trade, and then as you know, if you didn't take your profits, then it just went straight down. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in the premium Discord. Peace out. Happy Father's Day, and much love to all of you guys.